Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will know how to set PIN to enter automatically after typing for lock screen. See here, I put lock screen and try to open with my PIN. What happens? My PIN is now 1994. After giving 1994, after giving that PIN, it will not enter into your phone. Okay, you go to press this tick mark. You go to press this tick mark, and only it will go into your phone. That is, then only it will unlock your phone. So in this video, you are going to learn about without giving that tick mark, just after typing that PIN like 1994, just it will enter. After typing that 4, it will be just enter into your phone. So as I'll for that, you go to set it first. I will show it. Go to settings, click on security and click on screen lock, and you go to give the screen lock PIN now for confirmation. Okay, then again you go to set the PIN. Click on PIN. Then in the setting itself, you have to make those change. Then only it will be entering without giving that tick mark. Okay. So here again I set the same 1994, and here you have to tick it. Okay. Previously you did not to do it, so that only tick mark after pressing tick mark it will enter. Okay. Now if you click on this box and hereafter just you can give 1994 enough, and it will be directly unlock your phone. Okay, then again you go to give this same PIN to verify, click confirm. Now PIN is 1994, the same, and but different is here, just after typing 1994 it will be unlocked. See here, I don't need to give that tick mark. Okay, in this way you can easily set screen lock pattern to be identified automatically, to enter automatically after typing in your phone Vivo V21e 4G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.